The mock trial itself is a part of the LEU curriculum that we have developed to teach the cadets about the court proceedings, just understanding the full cycle of law enforcement, where it starts on the street and then ends up in the courtroom potentially, depending on what the case may be. So we just wanted them to understand the full legal process.
Because if any of this does not align with what you guys have, any of that can get him kicked out of the court, right? It can be dismissed, okay?
The kids are our future. We want to make sure that they get the hands-on experience. I know when I was coming up and growing, I wish there were opportunities like this. They hadn't quite developed. But giving young people the opportunity to be actually exposed to the environments, right? Even if it's in the mock trial sense, it just gives them that incentive, that motivation, and it gives them a reality check in a sense, like, wow.
It's a really great experience. I don't have much experience in an actual courtroom. So for me, this is actually really good to hands-on, get to learn what happens on the inside. The officer doesn't get to see. It's really engaging.
Ultimately, it's a character development program, and for the cadets, if they choose to pursue a career in law enforcement, we give them sort of a survey of the various types of law enforcement that are available. Also, if they choose not to pursue a career in law enforcement, it just helps develop them as good citizens and helps develop their accountability and civic duty.
Right now in the mock trial, we are prosecuting someone for stealing 3 items from the store and only purchasing 1 item. And right now, defendants and plaintiffs are talking, and I am playing the role of the defendant.
A lot of people may not realize that, it can go into the courtroom. You can do roles in the courtroom. You could be a bailiff, you could be the stenographer. You could be the judge if you want to be, right? So it's not just on the being out in the streets and enforcing the law. There's also the justice side, which is what happens here in the court.